Good morning students, this is Sanchita ma'am. Let us begin the chapter 2, Nutrition in Animals. From this chapter, today we will discuss only about the human digestive system. We take in food through the mouth, digest and utilize it. The undigested parts of the food are expelled from the body. The food passes through a long muscular canal called alimentary canal or the digestive tract, which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. The alimentary canal consists of buccal cavity or oral cavity, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine ending at the rectum, anus. The inner walls of stomach, the small intestine and the various glands such as salivary glands and liver and the pancreas secrete digestive juices. These digestive juices convert complex insoluble food substances into simple soluble food substances. The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. Now, we have learned that the human beings have mouth for the ingestion of food. Now, what is ingestion? Ingestion is the process of taking food into the body. The food is taken into the body through the mouth with the help of the hands. Let's study each and every part of the human digestive system one by one. Today we will discuss only about the digestion takes place, how digestion takes place in buccal cavity or oral cavity. Buccal cavity or oral cavity. From the mouth, the food goes into the buccal cavity or oral cavity. The buccal cavity contains teeth, tongue and salivary glands. Let us study in detail about each of them. The teeth break the food into small pieces, chew and grind it. Chewing mixes the small pieces of food with saliva. This process is called mastication. Now here you can see that in the buccal cavity or the oral cavity, teeth and the tongue. So after chewing the food with the help of the teeth, the chewing food mixes with the saliva. This process is called mastication. After that, each tooth is present in a separate socket in the gums. The white and hardy substance which covers the teeth is called enamel. Now here you see children, these are the different types of teeth. Each and every teeth is covered with the white colored hardy substance, and this outer covering is known as the enamel, and you all know the enamel is the hardest part of our body. Our teeth are of different shapes and carry the different functions. Based on their structure and function, teeth are of 4 types. Number 1 is incisor. Incisors are flat and blade-like teeth present in the front part of the jaw. Now here you see these are the incisors, which are the flat and blade-like teeth and present in the front of each jaw. These teeth help us to bite and cut the food into small pieces. second one, canines. These are present on either side of the incisor. So here is one, another side is one. These are two in number in each jaw. These are sharp and pointed teeth which help in tearing the food. Number 3 is premolar. There are two premolars next to each canine. These have broad flat grinding surface. This is the broad flat grinding surface. They grind food and break into small pieces. The last one is the molars. The remaining teeth in each jaw are 3 molars in either side. 1, 2, 3 in one side, another side 1, 2, 3. So these are the molars. These teeth also have broad and flat grinding surface. Now this is one of the molars. Here you can see it has broad and flat grinding surface. They are larger than the premolars. If you compare with premolars, you can see they are larger than the premolars, and these teeth are also used to crush and grind the teeth. Now students, we have, that means in human beings, the teeth grow twice. The temporary set of teeth grow when the child is in the age group of 6 months to 8 years. This set of teeth is called milk teeth. These teeth are smaller and weaker. These are 20 in number, 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. Teeth grow again after the milk teeth fall out. The second set of teeth is known as the permanent set of teeth. These teeth remain till old age. Permanent teeth cannot be replaced by new natural teeth. These are 32 in number, 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. Now here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That means in each jaw, 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars. I think it is clear to you all. Next, the organ which is present in the buccal cavity is the tongue. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free at the front and can be moved in all directions. The tongue performs the following function. It helps in mixing saliva with food. It helps in pushing and thus swallowing the food into the food pipes. It helps in getting the different taste of food. Now, it has several taste buds that can distinguish 4 different types of taste. What are these? Salty, sour, bitter and sweet. And it also helps us to speak. Now, the third organ of the buccal cavity is salivary glands. So here we can see salivary glands, and at the back also we can see the salivary glands. So salivary glands produce saliva. Saliva contains an enzyme called amylase that breaks down the starch present in the food into sugar. That is why after chewing the bread, we get a sweet taste. Saliva also makes the food wet and slimy so that it can pass easily through the esophagus or the food pipe. So that is why these 3 organs are very, very important for us. So that's all for today. Tomorrow I will explain you about the digestion which is going on in other organs of the human digestive system.